Hello and welcome to Elvatech YouTube channel. My name is Sergey and today we will show you how safe our ProSpector 3 handheld XRF analyzer is. We will compare its emissions to normal background levels and safety limits using the dosimeter. As you may know, natural ambient radiation typically falls into these ranges. From 100 to 200 nanosieverts per hour it's typical daily background exposure. Up to 300 nanosieverts it's still normal and safe, but from 300 to 1200 nanosieverts per hour is elevated levels, where extra caution is advised. International rules allow up to 1 microsievert per hour or 1000 nanosieverts from X-ray devices. ProSpector 3 has multiple safety levels that prevents X-ray tube from firing, unless the sample chamber is fully closed or the sample covers the measurement window. And when you mount it on the lab stand, a steel cover blocks any scattered radiation. So now let's take a dosimeter to prove it runs well below the 1 microsievert per hour safety limit. So, and now let's get to the practice. Here on the table I have the ProSpector 3 analyzer, also I have the energy calibration check sample, the lab stand for the analyzer and the dosimeter. As you may see on the screen of the dosimeter, now we have the background radiation in our office is about 14-15 nanosieverts per hour. It is totally safe and okay. So, and now I will measure our sample and check the X-ray radiation around the nose of the analyzer. So we go to the calibration alloys and I will set the duration of measurement for 30 seconds. It would be enough for us to measure the radiation around the analyzer. So now I place the analyzer like this and start the analysis, and we will measure on the distance about 10 centimeters away from the nose. It's totally okay and it complies with the international safety guidelines. So now on the screen of the dosimeter you see that from the right side on our analyzer we have the 19 nanosieverts, 150 nanosieverts per hour. It's okay. I will run the measurement one more time. So above, from this side, you see that we have the 30 nanosieverts, 35 nanosieverts per hour. It's on the top of the nose. Now it 51, 50, 60, and so on. And also we will measure from the left side and from the side of the handle. So I will stop the analysis and now I will turn the analyzer so you will see the difference. I will place it on the distance of 10 centimeters and start the analysis. So, and you see the lights, the red lights, it means that the X-ray tube is on, and now we will measure, and you see on the screen it is 60 nanosieverts, 80 nanosieverts per hour, so it's and it's about from 50 to 80 nanosieverts per hour, and it is totally okay. And now I will turn the analyzer to measure from the side of the handle to make sure that we are totally safe from different sides, and I will start the analysis. And you see that this from the side of the handle we also have the 25 or 30 nanosieverts per hour. So when you use it like the handheld analyzer, you can be totally safe, and And that's it. Also, as I have the lab stand on the table, we will measure also the X-ray radiation exposure in our lab stand. So I will place the analyzer. So, and now I have placed our analyzer in the lab stand, and we will also measure the same sample. And the duration, yeah, we check the duration, it's 30 seconds. And yeah, and we are ready. So, we will also measure from the different sides of our lab stand the X-ray radiation exposure, and I will start the analysis right now. So, I will hold it like this, and you see on the screen of the dosimeter nothing changes. Like, we can measure here, and it is 14 nanosieverts per hour, and it's not changing. And just to make sure that everything works, when I opened the lab stand, the X-ray tube turned off, because it's one of our safety level of in ProSpector 3. So, and now I will also turn the analyzer one more time, and we will measure from the different side and start the analysis. And we see on the screen that it is 15 nanosieverts per hour, and I hope you see on the display that it is 14, and it's still 14, 15, but nothing serious. You see that it's totally safe. Now we see the 24, 23, and that's all. You see that our analyzer totally protects the user, and it's totally safe for your health. As you saw, ProSpector 3 never exceeds 300 nanosieverts per hour, that's within normal background and far below 1 microsievert per hour. You can trust it for accurate, non-destructive analysis without safety worries. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, comment below or contact our support team. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell for more tutorials. See you next time!